Huawei has released another new product. This is the world's first expandable paper version of the Huawei Pura X View, which I'm holding in my hand. As usual, let's unbox it together. The version we received is a linen grey, a low saturation color that's not garish and has a very premium feel, which I really like. My first impression was that such a wide phone is incredibly light and thin. The 6.39-inch custom-designed widescreen with 1.05mm bezels on all four sides achieves a 96.1% screen-to-body ratio, yet the body is only 6.68mm thick and weighs just 201 grams. Even more impressive is the massive 7000 mAh battery packed inside. Huawei didn't offer any choices this time. They gave you the full linen grey, 3-dimensional light-sensitive glass, and metal frame. It has the premium feel of a flagship phone. The second great thing is the widescreen. Once you've used it, you can't go back. I've actually used this type of foldable phone for a while now, and honestly, this size is very comfortable. Once you've used it, it's really hard to go back to anything else. Traditional flagship phones with a 16 minutes and 9.5 seconds aspect ratio or large folding screens offer a significantly wider field of view for watching videos, reading documents, and playing games compared to regular phones. This phone essentially packs the unfolded experience of a folding screen into the body of a candy bar phone. The imaging is also impressive, with dual main cameras on the sides and a second-generation red maple color sensor for accurate color reproduction and strong low-light performance. Even casual shots look like professional quality photos. In short, this is Huawei's perfect answer for those who want a wide field of view but don't want a folding screen. It offers the portability and reliability of a candy bar phone, the immersive viewing experience close to a small tablet, and the smooth performance of Harmony OS. Therefore, this wide candy bar flagship is definitely one of the new phones worth buying this year. We will share a more in-depth review of this product in a later video. Isn't that cool? Feel free to leave a comment below.